In the real world, people use various physical tools for different tasks, such as a pen, a brush, or a knife. And each of these tools is specially designed to be most natural to use for the specific task it supports. However, carrying and switching between all these tools can be sometimes inconvenient or inefficient. On the other hand, using a single digital pen, we can access many of these functions in the software program, for example, by using a menu selection, which is very efficient, but in many cases, it may not feel as natural as using the physical tools themselves. So how can we combine the naturalness of these specialized physical tools and the efficiency or convenience of a single digital pen? The answer may lie in the fact that in the real world, people hold each of these different tools using different grips. We are showing a few examples here. And again, each of these grips is most natural for the specific task at hand. So what if we can recognize how a digital pen is held by the user and automatically provides the function that matches the grip? Which means if I hold it like a pen, it works like a pen, gives me the pen function in the program. Or if I hold it like a knife, it actually works like a knife. Then the user can simply hold the pen the way that's most natural to the task, and without telling the system knows what exactly the user wants to do. We created a research prototype of such a digital pen, which includes a multi-touch sensor that knows where the user is touching the pen with the fingers, and an orientation sensor that knows what angle the pen is held at. And by combining these two pieces of information, we can recognize many different grips on the pen from the user. And now I'll show you a demo of how we can use this technology using a drawing application that we built. So I will start with the most regular way of holding the pen, and obviously the system recognizes that and give me the pen function. I can use a special grip to trigger a pie menu to choose a color. And then I'm going to write some Chinese character using the special Chinese calligraphy brush, not the special grip of the Chinese brush. And this is my way to trigger my eraser using this eraser grip. I can decorate my drawing by having this airbrush grip to have airbrush effect. Or if I want to do some engineering drawing, I can use this composites tool, again by holding it like a composites. Finally, I can stamp my drawing, or I can make some sketches using the sketch pencil grip. And apart from the drawing application, we are also exploring the other interesting applications, such as simulating the experience of playing multiple musical instruments on the same pen device. For example, I can hold it like a flute and get the flute effect. Or like a saxophone. And yet another interesting application, maybe in the game scenario, imagine you can hold the game controller in different ways to switch between game weapons. So we have shown our technology to recognize different grips on the pen by the user to enable natural user interaction.